Ciao and welcome back to the second lesson of your Italian course. Today we'll start to talk about articles. Now, what is an article? An article is a word that defines if a noun is specific or not. If I say I saw the man or I saw a man, I mean something different. In the first example, I mean exactly one specific man, probably the one we were talking about and that we both know. That is why I specifically mean him and not another one. In the second example, I mean that I saw a man, but no matter who specifically. So, how do articles work in Italian? Let's start by saying that we have three main kinds of articles: definite articles, indefinite articles, and partitive articles. Today, we'll start with definite articles. Let's just clarify that nouns in Italian are feminine or masculine, and they can be singular or plural, and so do articles. There are two articles for masculine singular nouns, which are il and lo. For example, il bambino and lo stivale. But how do we use them? Il goes with nouns that start with a consonant, except for X, Y, Z, S, GN, PN, PS. For example, il bambino. Lo is used with nouns that start with a vowel or with X, Y, Z, S followed by a consonant, GN, PN, PS. For example, lo stivale. Lo becomes L with apostrophe before nouns that start with a vowel, so we have l'orologio. The feminine singular article is la, so it's la ragazza. It becomes L with apostrophe before nouns that start with a vowel, so we have l'amicizia. And the plurals? There are two articles for masculine plural nouns. E goes with nouns that start with a consonant, except for X, Y, Z, S, GN, PN, and PS, just like I cani. Gli is used with nouns that start with a vowel or with X, Y, Z, S followed by a consonant, GN, PN, and PS. For example, gli uccelli. The feminine plural article is le. For example, le rose. For today, we're done. Thanks for your attention and see you in the next video. Ciao!